So we are going to complete sentences. Fill in the blanks and complete the sentences. I saw a cat. This is a story. I saw a cat. I saw a cat sitting on a mat. This is a mat. M-A-T, mat. I saw a cat sitting on a mat next to a rat. R-A-T, rat. And the rat was very sad. Okay. Sorry, it's sad. S-A-D, sad.